Hello everyone, ejlockpix here. Got this Master Pro Sport lock. Came with a one of those large link chains, you know, those really hardened things, and it's a laminated steel lock. You can kind of peek in and see the rivets there. Covered in plastic to keep the weather out, and it's got a nice little shroud here to protect the shackle. Works beautifully. It's got two ball bearing, dual ball bearing locking mechanism, so you're not going to be shimming this thing. It has pretty decent bitting for a master lock. See there, so that looks pretty nice. But when I first got this, I think it had only like one or two spools in it. The rest were standard pins. So I took care of that. Just to kind of challenge myself a little bit. I also pinned it up with 6 pins, the 6 pins just riding on the tip of the key there. But it still works beautifully, and we're gonna pick it. Oh, also here, here's a 6-inch ruler, just to kind of show the dimensions here. So, just kind of like that there. Alright, so let's get the vise in here. And I'll move it up, move the camera up here. We're at the electronics bench, so needed a little place to pick, so here we are. Chuck this thing up in the vise here. And I'm going to be using this top of the keyway tension device. It's not a Peterson, it's a clone. But it's, let's see how thin this actually is. So it's about 0.032 inches or 0.81 millimeters thick for you metric folks. And let's see, let's get this thing open today. Let's position this a little bit better here. Alright, so I have this DeForest style pick, and then I have the actual DeForest pick. We'll be using both of these to kind of get us through this thing today. So let's see what we can do. Pin 1 is binding. Got a little click out of that. Pin 2 is mushy. Pin 3, got a little click out of that. Pin 5, I got a tiny click. And pin 6 is bound, but he doesn't want to move. Oh, there, you got a nice little click out of him there. Alright, let's go back to the front. Got a click out of pin 3. Felt the core kind of turn just a little bit. Pin 4 is pretty solid. Let's see, pin 5, there's a little click there. Not sure what's keeping us away here. Got another click out of, it feels like a click out of 2 there. Going back. And 5 feels good. I think I need the big DeForest pick to get in the back. So let's see. Let me count all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. I think. Yeah, I got a little click out of 6. So there we go. Probably just continue using this pick. Got a little nudge out of 4. Oh, and 3. Get another click out of 3, I think. I think we got it there. Alright. There we go. Whoops. Okay, so there it is picked. Let's take it out of there. The vise out of the way. And we'll move down to the pinning tray. Or the pinning mat, I should say. I think with all masters it's a 7/64 Allen wrench. So let's take this guy apart here. There we go. The guts fall out. Okay. So there it is. Oh, these are one of those crimped cores. So we're gonna have to lock it back up here and use the key and open it the other way and kind of take it out backwards. So I'll push it forward, kind of keep my finger on the key pins there, and we'll kind of start pushing these out. So number 6 looks like a spool. Number 5 looks like a serrated pin. Number 4 is a spool. Sorry, I'll try to move back in the center here. Sorry, 3 is a serrated. 2 is a spool. And it's kind of stuck in there. Here it comes. That was a serrated pin as well. So looks like I put in alternating serrated. So, oh, here, let me just dump the key pins and I'll show you. Serrated, serrated, standard, serrated, serrated, and serrated. So let me adjust these a bit. I'll get a close-up view. This one's real high cut, real small. And serrated, all the serrated key pins except for number 3, which was a standard. Really small guy doesn't want to cooperate. And on the top we had serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated spool. So let's see if I can get a close up of that without the zoom, or the, I'm sorry, the focus freaking out. So there you go, a modded Master Pro Sport. Maybe in a future video we'll do some additional modifications. There's all the springs. Additional mods that we can do to this thing to make it even more pick resistant than it started. Okay, that's it, I suppose. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to ask everyone if you know, having all the electronic stuff kind of mixed in the channel was kind of a bad idea or not, if I should start a new channel. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And I guess that's everything. Thanks for watching.